Hello, fourth graders. Today we are going to be going over your homework packets that you should have received on Friday or today on Monday. So the first part of the packet we'll go through is the similes, metaphors packet for reading. So on the first page, we have a poem. All we are doing on this page is underlining. So we're just with a pen or pencil underlining any similes that we find in this poem. So remember, a simile is a figure of speech that compares two things that are not normally alike. Many similes use the word like or as. So an example is, I am loud as a lion. I'm quiet as a mouse. So comparing two things that are not normally alike. I am not like a lion or a mouse, but I can be loud like a lion or quiet like a mouse. On the next page, we are continuing learning about similes. So you are just finishing each sentence. Happy as what? What is something happy that you can compare to? Dark as what? What's something dark that you can compare to? All right, so you're just writing your own similes. Down here, you're writing a simile about a friend. So think about a friend and compare them. So my friend blank is as what? As what? So think of some way you can compare a friend to something else with a simile. Next, you are writing a simile about me, your teacher. So write a simile about me. My teacher, Miss Berg, is as what? As what? Then write a simile about an animal. Any animal you want. Pick your favorite one and then write a simile. And finally, write a simile about your favorite food. Compare your favorite food to something else. On the next page, we have some super similes. On this side, we are just matching. So on this side, we have a simile. And on this side, we are matching that simile with the beginning of it. So we have blink. So number one, as sweet as what? As sweet as what? I think something sweet is in this column here. Oh, what's that? Sugar. Sugar is pretty sweet. So as sweet as sugar, I think that could fill that in. So we might put an A for number one. So go through and read what are all of the options on this side to see which one fits best. Remember our test taking strategies. Put it in and see, does this make sense? If it doesn't, don't use that answer. All right, similar to our first page of the metaphors has a poem, the metaphor family. Now, metaphors are similar to similes. They still compare two things that are not normally alike, but this one does not use the word like or as. So, for example, I am a sloth. I am not actually a sloth. It's just saying I'm kind of slow today. I am a sloth. I'm slow today. All right, so you will go through and just underline again, pen or pencil, your choice. Underline any metaphors that you see. Remember, metaphors do not include like or as. And then we will write our own metaphors. So, my mom said my room is a pig pen. What does she mean? What do you think that means when she says my room is a pig pen? Then, my friend Joey is a clown. What does this mean? So, we're just reading the metaphors and explaining what does it mean? Why did they use that metaphor? So, that is everything for the reading packet. For the math packet, we just have some division practice since we're still new to the division. So on the first page, we are just making groups. So we see in the example up here, the problem they gave us was 18 divided by 3 equals 6. What they did is they had 18 fish here. So just like these are big groups, we had 18 fish. They went through and they circled 3 fish, 3 fish, 3 fish. So they made groups of 3. And then they counted how many groups of 3 do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 groups of 3. So 18 divided by 3 is 6. So then you'll go down to 20 divided by 4. So we have 20 stars here. You are going to make groups of 4. So count 1, 2, 3, 4 stars, circle it. 1, 2, 3, 4, circle it. Until you've circled all of the stars. And then count how many groups of 4 do I have? That's the answer. So that's what you'll do on this worksheet. You'll count the groups of each of the pictures, and then how many groups did you make? On the next page, so the next 2 pages are the same. So you will have a story problem, and then you are going to draw the picture. So unlike the first page where you had the pictures drawn for you, with this one you're going to draw your own picture. So our first problem says you have 14 cookies. You have 2 plates. Each plate has the same number of cookies. How many cookies are on each plate? So you are going to draw your 14 cookies, or 14 circles, or 14 squares, or triangles, however you decide you want to do that. You'll draw your 14, and then you are going to make groups of 2, because you know there's 2 plates. How many groups of 2 are there? All right. You're going to do the same thing for the next one. You have 24 stickers. There are 3 kids. Each kid gets the same number of stickers. How many stickers does each kid get? So you'll draw 24 stickers, squares, circles, stars, whatever you want to do, and group them in a group of 3. So 3, 3, 3, 3, until you've made groups of 3 for all 24 stars. Then count how many groups. So that's what you'll do for all the rest of the problems. All right, that is it for your homework packet. Remember, you are going to turn that in with your homework on Friday this week. So when they come and pick up your homework and drop off your new homework, this should be in your packet. All right, good luck, you guys. Remember to send me a hangout or ask me in morning meeting if you have any questions, and I will answer them.